Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. So, tell me, what was the topic we were doing in yesterday class? Yes, increasing and decreasing order. Excellent. So, tell me, what did we discuss? There was something that we compare it with. We discussed that increasing and decreasing order is same as ascending and descending order. Excellent. So tell me, increasing order is similar to ascending or descending? Ascending. Excellent. And what does ascending means? Going up, right? Okay. And what does descending means? Going down. And what was the hint that I gave you to remember the descending or the decreasing order? That the descending, decreasing, and the down, three of them starts with the letter D, right? So this is the great hint or a tip that we can easily remember, that decreasing or descending order means going down, right? Okay. So in today's class, we will be doing some practice exercise of the, what is written on the board? Ascending order, right? So we will be doing some practice exercise, and then we will be doing the work, the exercise which is in your book as well, right? So before starting this, let's watch an interesting video that is about the ascending and descending order that will help you revise the concept, and then we will be moving forward and we will do some exercise. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Is it visible? Okay, excellent.
Let's learn about increasing and decreasing orders, going up and going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Increasing order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's a decreasing order. So when we go down, it's decreasing. When we go up, it's an increasing order.
Okay, so you have seen in the video as well the same concept that we have revised, that when we go up, it's ascending or increasing order, and when we go down, it's descending or decreasing order, right? So today we will be practicing only the increasing or ascending order, right? So look at the board carefully. Here you can see that I have drawn a ladder for you, right, with this chart paper. And here is this cute aeroplane, a mini aeroplane. You will help this aeroplane fly over this, right? So because it's ascending order or increasing order, it will start from here and move towards the upper position, right? We always start from here and then we will be moving upward. So that would be increasing or ascending order, right? So I'll be writing some numbers over there for you. That would be random numbers, and then you will tell me that how we can arrange them in ascending order, right? So let's first let all of us know that ascending means going up, right? And what does going up means? That we will be starting with the lowest or the smallest number, and then we will be moving toward the highest one, right? So now I'm writing some random numbers for you. The very first number is 15. These are the numbers. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Now, what's the practice? You will first recognize what is the smallest number over there. What is the smallest number? Who is going to tell me? Yes, Sarah. Number 9. Excellent. And what is the highest number? Yes, it's 19. Excellent. Now, what we will be doing, let's first write the smallest number over there. It's 9. And what is the highest? 19. So let's write 19 over there. Now, how many spaces are there? 1, 2, 3 more spaces, right? And how many numbers are left? 3 again. What will come after 9? 11. Excellent. What will come after that? 15 or 17? 15. Well done. What is next? 17, right. And we are done. Dun, dun, dun. Right? Okay. So look at them again. 9, 11, 15, 17, and 19, right? So this is how we do or we write numbers in the form of ascending order. We started from the smallest one and we move toward the highest one, right? Okay. Let's do another practice. Okay, so the next numbers are now not Sarah, somebody else will tell me, okay? So the next numbers are, who is going to tell me what is the smallest number in this? Yes, it's 0. Excellent, Ahmed. And what is the highest number? It's 9. Very well done. Where will we write the smallest number? Over there? No. So where? Over here. Very well done. So I'm writing 0 over there. And where we will be writing the highest number? Over there. Excellent. On the top. Now, how many numbers come in between that? 1, 2, and 3. And how many numbers are left? 3. So what will come after 0? 2 or 5? 2. Excellent. What will come after that? 5 or 7? 5. And then last, 7. And we are done again. Clap for Ahmed. Very good. Okay. So let's do another practice. The last sequence, and then we will be doing the practice exercise in the book, okay? So the last numbers are, now Alize, you will do this, okay? So the numbers are, okay. So tell me, what is the smallest number in this case? It's 0, excellent. And where we will write 0? Over there. What is the highest number? 15, excellent. And we will be writing 15 over there. What will come after 0? 5 or 9? 5, well done. What will come after that? 9, excellent. And finally, 11. Very well done. So now all of you are clear about it? Any confusion? No? Should we move forward? Okay, great. Now open your book, page number 30. Hurry up, all of you. This is your book, page number 30. We will be doing this together, okay? So there in your book, there are 4 letters that you are supposed to, okay, there are these small kids that want to climb up the ladder. So you will help them out in climbing the ladder, okay? So the first and the last numbers are already given to you, right? They are written in the dotted form. And then you are supposed to fill in what comes in between that, right? I'm going to do the first one for you and then you will do the rest by yourself, right? Okay, look at the very first one. The smallest number is 8 and the highest one is 17. How many blanks in between that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. This means 8 numbers are missing. So what comes after 8? And we cannot write from here, right? Because we are writing or practicing it in ascending order. So we will start from here, right? We will write from the smallest and then we will move upward. So what comes after 8? 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and finally 16. Got it? Okay, look at the next letter. What is the smallest number? Yes, Abdullah, what is the smallest number? 54. And what is the highest one? 63. Again, how many blanks? 8. Good. So what would be the numbers? 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Good. What comes after 59? 60, then 61, and finally 62, right? Excellent. Look at the next one. Who is going to tell me this? Yes, Wasim. The smallest number is 30. And what is the highest one? 39. How many blanks in between? 8. So start from 30, then 31, 32, 33, very well done, 34, 35, 36, 37, and finally 38. Got it? Now all of you do the last letter by yourselves and tell me your answers. Let's see who do it first. Hurry up, start writing. Take out your pencils. Hurry up. Okay, start writing and tell me what are the numbers. Yes, all of you are done. Okay, who is going to tell me the answer? Okay, yes, yes, Sarah. The numbers are 77, 78, 79, good, 80, 81, 82, not 84, 83 first, then 84, right? Okay, so all of you are done. Is anyone left? No? Okay, so let's quickly revise what we have done. What was the topic that we covered? Ascending order. What does ascending order means? Going up. So we start from the smallest value, excellent, and we end at the highest value, right? So, and what is the procedure? What do we do on the first? We recognize the smallest number, then we recognize the highest one, and then we write what comes in between that, right? So any confusion, any question? No? Very well done. So I'll be seeing you in the next class. Hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. Take care. Allah Hafiz.